Whirlpool presents Supreme Plus, a range of semi-automatic washing machines with inbuilt wash station that help you easily sort your clothes, stack them and carry them on the lid. Supreme Plus comes in different colors and capacities. Its 3 wash programs ensure customized care for different types of fabric, and its unique inbuilt scrubber efficiently cleans stubborn dirt from the collars of your favorite clothes. The specially designed Max Dry vents on the spin lid help in quick drying of your clothes while spinning. With 4 large wheels, the Supreme Plus range of semi-automatic washing machines are designed for mobility, so you can move the machine around with ease. It also has a unique memory retention auto-restart feature that enables resuming the wash cycle from where it stopped in case of a power cut. To remove detergent residue from the clothes, the spin shower in Supreme Plus range allows water to fall on clothes from the top like a shower. It has a powerful motor to take care of different wash loads. Supreme Plus has a sturdy plastic body that protects it from corrosion and makes it more durable. Along with that, the body is layered with a rat repel additive material that guards the machine and wires from rat bites. It comes with a 5-star energy rating, 2-year comprehensive warranty and 3-year additional warranty on motor and prime mover. To buy Supreme Plus range of semi-automatic washing machines online, use your debit or credit card or pay via net banking. For EMI options, refer to the product page.